आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज नाउ 24/7। ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें।
आज सौंपी जाने वाली वक्त जेपीसी रिपोर्ट पर बीजेपी सांसद अपराजिता सारंगी कहती हैं, चूंकि मैं जेपीसी का हिस्सा रही हूं, इसलिए मैं पूरे विश्वास के साथ कह सकती हूं कि 655 पन्नों की रिपोर्ट तैयार करना एक सावधानीपूर्वक काम रहा है। पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार वक्फ संपत्तियों का उचित प्रबंधन चाहती है। जगदम्बिका पाल ने विपक्ष के नोट्स को शामिल किया है जो जेपीसी का हिस्सा थे। यह एक नेक काम है कि पीएम मोदी की सरकार यह संशोधन लेकर आई है।
Since I have been a part of the Joint Parliamentary Committee and I have been a witness to all the proceedings of the Joint Parliamentary Committee, I can say with all conviction at my command that the preparation of the 655 pages report, which will be submitted in the Lok Sabha today, has been a meticulous exercise. In fact, we are aware of the fact that the JPC was constituted on 9th of August 2024 and the first meeting of this committee was held on 22nd August 2024, and thereafter till the, I would say, the adoption of the changed bill by the JPC, there were about 38 meetings that had been held. We met around 284 organizations from different parts of the country and elicited opinion. And thereafter, we had also moved to a couple of states where we had discussions with those organizations, with those people who could not make to Delhi. So I think I would say once again, at the cost of being repetitive, that it has been a meticulous exercise. Everybody has put in his or her best. The government of Prime Minister Modi wants proper management of the Waqf properties, and that is why this particular bill has been brought. So I think everybody wants good governance in the country. So whichever sector we have to think of, I think we should go for good governance measures. So having the amendments in the Waqf amendment bill, I think through the Waqf Amendment Bill, I think it is because we want good governance of the Waqf properties. So I think today the bill has been brought. Some of the opposition party members who were part of the committee have given their dissent notes, and Sri Jagdambika Palji, who is the chair of the committee, has assured all of them and has actually included all the dissent notes in the report that has been presented to the Honorable Speaker. So we should be very positive. It is with a very noble cause that the Prime Minister Modi's government has brought this amendment, and let's hope for the best. It's coming to the Lok Sabha today.
आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।